Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about the biochemical functions of vitamin B12 cobalamin. Okay. Biochemical functions of vitamin B12 cobalamin. About 10 enzymes requiring vitamin B12 have been identified. About 10 enzymes requiring vitamin B12 have been identified. Most of them are found in bacteria. Most of these enzymes that depend on vitamin B12 are found in bacteria, and the examples are glutamate mutase, ribonucleotide reductase, etc. There are only two reactions in mammals that are dependent on vitamin B12. There are only two reactions in mammals that depend on vitamin B12. First is synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. Synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. This is the first. And the next reaction is isomerization of methyl malonyl CoA to succinyl CoA. Okay. Synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. Synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 as methylcobalamin is used in this reaction. This is an important reaction involving N5-methyl tetrahydrofolate, from which tetrahydrofolate is liberated. Enzyme homocysteine methyltransferase are methionine synthase. This metabolic step signifies the interrelation between the vitamin B12 and folic acid. See once again, synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. Vitamin B12 as methylcobalamin is used in this reaction. Vitamin B12 as methylcobalamin is used in this reaction. This is an important reaction involving N5-methyl tetrahydrofolate, from which tetrahydrofolate is liberated, and the enzyme acts here is homocysteine methyltransferase or methionine synthase. This metabolic step signifies the interrelationship between the vitamin B12 and folic acid. See this reaction. See here, in synthesis of methionine from homocysteine, vitamin B12 is involved. Okay, vitamin B12 in the form of methylcobalamin is involved in this reaction. See here, methylcobalamin is the form of vitamin B12. This is an important reaction involving the N5-methyl tetrahydrofolate, from which the tetrahydrofolate is liberated. Okay, in this reaction N5-methyl tetrahydrofolate is involved and this converted to tetrahydrofolate. Okay, and the enzyme acts here is homocysteine methyltransferase. In conversion of homocysteine to methionine, enzyme acts is homocysteine methyltransferase, and this enzyme depends on methylcobalamin. Okay, in this reaction N5-methyl tetrahydrofolate is involved and this converts into tetrahydrofolate, and this metabolic step signifies the interrelationship between the vitamin B12 as well as folic acid. And the next reaction is isomerization of methyl malonyl CoA to succinyl CoA. Isomerization of methyl malonyl CoA to succinyl CoA. The degradation of odd chain fatty acid. Certain amino acids are valine and isoleucine, and the pyrimidines like thymine, and uracil produced directly or through the mediation of propionyl-CoA, an important compound methylmalonyl-CoA. This is converted by the enzyme methylmalonyl-CoA mutase to succinyl-CoA in the presence of B12 coenzyme deoxyadenosine cobalamin. This reaction involves the hydrogen transfer and intramolecular rearrangement. In B12 deficiency, methylmalonyl-CoA accumulates and is excreted in urine as methylmalonic acid. See once again, isomerization of methylmalonyl-CoA to succinyl-CoA, the degradation of short-chain fatty acids, certain amino acids like valine and isoleucine, and pyrimidines like thymine and uracil produce an important compound methylmalonyl-CoA. Okay, produce an important compound methylmalonyl-CoA either directly or through the mediation of propionyl-CoA. This is converted by the enzyme methylmalonyl-CoA mutase to succinyl-CoA in the presence of B12 coenzyme. In the presence of the coenzyme deoxyadenosine cobalamin, which is a coenzyme of vitamin B12. And this reaction involves the hydrogen transfer and intramolecular rearrangement. But in vitamin B12 deficiency, methylmalonyl-CoA accumulates and is excreted in urine as methylmalonic acid. See these reactions. Okay, see this reaction. This tells us the isomerization of methylmalonyl-CoA to succinyl-CoA, the degradation of short-chain fatty acids and amino acids like valine, isoleucine, threonine and methionine, and thymine and uracil produce an important compound called methylmalonyl-CoA. Okay, degradation of these short-chain fatty acids, amino acids and pyrimidines. Okay, these are the pyrimidines produce an important compound methylmalonyl-CoA. Methylmalonyl-CoA either directly or through a mediated compound called propionyl-CoA. Again, this methionine-CoA converts to the succinyl-CoA. See here, this methionine-CoA converts to succinyl-CoA through the enzyme methylmalonyl-CoA mutase. Okay, through an enzyme methylmalonyl-CoA mutase. In the presence of coenzyme of vitamin B12 5-hydroxyadenosine cobalamin. This reaction is done in the presence of 5-hydroxyadenosine cobalamin, which is a coenzyme of vitamin B12. And this reaction is done by involves the hydrogen transfer. See here, only 3 are present now. Okay, this reaction involves the transfer of hydrogen and intermolecular rearrangement. See clearly guys, this is the structure now. What happens now? This reaction involves the hydrogen transfer and intramolecular rearrangement. See this structure. See, hydrogen replacement and the intramolecular rearrangement. Next, but in deficiency of vitamin B12, Methyl malonyl CoA is accumulates and is excreted in urine as methyl malonic acid. See here, but in absence, this indicates the absence. Okay, but in absence of coenzyme of vitamin B12 5-hydroxyadenosylcobalamin, methyl malonyl CoA is accumulates and this excreted in urine as methyl malonic acid. See here, what happened first? Degradation of ornithine fatty acids, amino acids and pyrimidines into methyl malonyl CoA. It may be done directly or it may be mediated through propionyl CoA, and the formed methionine CoA is converted to succinyl CoA through the enzyme methyl malonyl CoA mutase. Okay, and this enzyme needed the coenzyme. Okay, and this enzyme is dependent on the coenzyme 5-hydroxyadenosylcobalamin, which is a coenzyme of vitamin B12. But absence of this coenzyme, methyl malonyl CoA is not converted to succinyl CoA, and this accumulates. Okay, and this excreted in urine as methyl malonic acid. This is about the biochemical functions of vitamin B12. Okay, in next video I am going to upload the list of the topics in biochemistry, the chapter metabolism of carbohydrates. Okay, what are the topics I am going to cover? See that one, it may helps you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.